how to create form for your model. I have already created a model. Okay, and the model name is Gigs model. So, to create a form for your model, just import forms and imports your model name. Okay, and that is the format from the models import Gigs model, and that I have already created. Okay, to create a form, uh, declare class name. Okay, this is a class and class name Gigs form and forms not model. Now create meta class. Okay, that is the information for your form. Okay, so the model name is Gigs model that I have already added this section. Okay, and then specify the fields to be used. Okay, and the fields name is a title and description, or you can use uh, all fields by using the text. Fields is equal string. Okay, underscore all.